Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Triumph Bonneville. This retro cruiser just arrived with only 215 miles on the odometer. You heard me right, 215 miles. Parallel twin cylinder, 865 cc's. This bike has the retro style you've been looking for. Come on by and make your Bonneville dreams come true for just $49.99. This thing is not going to be here long. Super low mileage. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.